Adding push notifications to your Blogger site allows you to notify your visitors about new posts and updates, even when they are not on your site. Here's how to add push notifications to Blogger. Choose a push notification service. Select a push notification service such as OneSignal, PushEngage, or PushAlert. These services offer free and paid plans depending on your needs. Sign up for an account. Go to the website of the push notification service and sign up for an account. After signing up, you'll be prompted to create a new push notification app. Set up push notification on Blogger. In the push notification service dashboard, add your Blogger site URL. Follow the setup instructions provided by the service. Most services will require you to add the JavaScript code or API key to your Blogger site. Add code to Blogger. Go to your Blogger dashboard, navigate to Theme, and click on Edit HTML. Paste the provided code from the push notification service just before the body tag in the HTML editor. Test the notifications. After saving the changes, visit your site to test if the push notifications work. Encourage users to subscribe to push notifications when they visit your site.